Transferring data from Myob to Xero can seem like a daunting task, but with the right guidance it can be a straightforward process. The first step is to prepare your Myob data by ensuring it is up to date and accurate. This includes reconciling all accounts, processing any outstanding transactions, and verifying the integrity of your data. Next, you need to export your data from Myob. This can be done by going to the File menu and selecting Export. Then choosing the relevant data such as chart of accounts, customers, suppliers, and transactions. You will need to export each of these components separately and save them as CSV files. Once you have exported your data, you can start the import process in Xero. To do this, go to the Settings menu and select Import. Then choose the relevant data type. Xero has a number of import templates that you can use to guide the import process. Simply match your Myob data to the relevant fields in the Xero template and upload the CSV file. One of the key things to consider when transferring data from Myob to Xero is the conversion of accounts and transactions. Xero has a number of built-in features that can help with this process, including automatic account matching and transaction conversion. However, it is still important to carefully review your data after import to ensure that everything has been transferred correctly. Another important consideration is the handling of historical data. Xero allows you to import historical transactions, but you need to decide how far back you want to go. This will depend on your business needs and the complexity of your data. As a general rule, it is best to import at least 2 years of historical data to ensure that you have a complete picture of your business performance. In terms of best practices, it is recommended that you test the import process with a small sample of data before transferring your entire dataset. This will help you identify any issues and ensure that the process runs smoothly. Additionally, it is a good idea to have a backup of your Myob data before starting the transfer process, in case anything goes wrong. Overall, transferring data from Myob to Xero requires careful planning and attention to detail. By following these steps and considering the key concepts and best practices outlined in this guide, you can ensure a successful transfer and start taking advantage of the benefits that Xero has to offer.